The next question is based on the circle. Dear students, you must know this. X square plus y square is equal to a square represents a circle with center as origin and radius is equal to r. And moreover, area of the circle is given by pi r square. With this knowledge, let us discuss this problem. The problem is like this. Area bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. The line x is equal to root 3y. X-axis lying in first quadrant is option A pi by 2, option B pi by 4, option C pi by 3 and option D is pi. Look at this, dear students. Do you agree with me? This is the circle and its equation is x square plus y square is equal to 2 square. It is given as 4, I have written it as 2 square so that I can mark this length as 2 units. And what will be this? No need to ask, both of them are radius. This also will be 2 units. X is equal to root 3y. X is equal to root 3y means y is equal to 1 by root 3x. Y is equal to 1 by root 3x is a line passing through origin making an angle of 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Do you agree with me? This is the line. Is that correct? Now, this is 1 by root 3, that is tan theta is 1 by root 3, then what should be this angle? Tan theta is 1 by root 3 means theta must be equal to 30 degree. That means to say this must be pi by 6. Now, what is this particular area, dear students? Don't use calculus once again. Use 10th standard or 9th standard mathematics. What is the formula for that? That is half r square. R square means 2 square. 4 theta. What is theta? Theta is pi by 6. So what you will get now? 2 2s are 4. So this is again 2 3s are 6. So the answer, this particular area is nothing but equal to pi by 3. Got it, dear students? The formula what we have used is half r square theta. Half r square theta. Right? This particular area is given by half r square theta. That you should have studied. Area of the arc. So this is half r square theta. This theta is pi by 6. 1 by 2 into 4 into pi by 6 will give us pi by 3. If you know this formula, well and good. Okay, option C is correct. If you don't know this formula, how to solve this? It is very simple. Do you agree with me? This is 1/4 of the area of the circle, correct? What is area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi r square. That is pi r square means r square is 4 into pi. So 4 pi is the area of the circle. This is 1/4 of this. 1/4 of this. This portion is 1/4. 4 pi by 4 is the area in the first quadrant. Do you agree with me? If this is 30 degree, this will be 60 degree. 30 degree is 1/3 of the area, 1/3 of 90 degree is 30 degree. Therefore, I can multiply with 1 by 3. I repeat, this is 30 degree. 30 degree is 1/3 of 90 degree. So, I am dividing by 3. So, you will get 4 cancels, pi by 3. Option C is correct, even in the second method also. Once again, dear students, I am not using integral calculus. I am just using basic geometry which you have studied in your school and first PUC. Got it? Now, let us go to the next problem. Now, let us discuss next problem, dear students. The parabolas y square is equal to 4x, x square is equal to 4y divide the square region bounded by the lines x is equal to plus 4, y is equal to 4 and coordinate axis. If S1, S2, S3 are respectively the areas of the parts numbered from the bottom, then S1 is to S2 is to S3 is option A 2 is to 1 is to 2, option B 1 is to 1 is to 1, option C 1 is to 2 is to 1 and option D is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Dear students, you must be aware of this. Parabola is 2/3 of the area of the rectangle enclosed. Let us use the same concept and solve this problem. This problem is taken from AEEE entrance exam. And if you refer textbook, you will have half a page of explanation for this. Just see the beauty of the shortcut here. Look at this, dear students. The parabolas are like this. The first parabola, x square is equal to 4y, is a parabola like this. Do you agree with me? Second one is y square is equal to 4x. Both of them are definitely meeting at 4, 4. No need to explain you this, right? So this particular point is 4, 4. The question is, if this is called as S1 and if this is called as S2 and if this is termed as S3, the question is, what is S1 is to S2 is to S3? That is the question. Observe carefully, dear students. I am just rewriting the same rectangle once again, and inside that rectangle I will write S1, S2, S3. So this is 4, 4. To be more precise, this is a square than a rectangle, and you can observe one thing. This is the part of the parabola taken from y square is equal to 4x, and this part of the parabola is taken from x square is equal to 4y. Is that correct? Now, forget about this line for the time being. Intentionally I have avoided that. Do you agree with me? This particular region is 1/3 of the area of the rectangle. Is that correct? That is, this region is 1/3 times area of the rectangle. Is that correct? And now I am completing this part of the parabola. Do you agree with me? This is 1/3 of the area of the rectangle. If this is 1/3 and this is 1/3, this also should be 1/3. Is that correct? That means to say, this area is same as this area, that is same as this area. This is 1/3, this is 1/3, remaining portion should be 1/3. Therefore, 1/3 is to 1/3 is to 1/3 is nothing but 1 is to 1 is to 1. Option B is correct. See how simple it is. I repeat this once again. I have completed this rectangle. So this is a square with 16 square units, 4 unit length and 4 unit width. And this portion is 1/3 of the area of the rectangle. I have already explained this. This portion is also 1/3. This is 1/3, this is 1/3, therefore this also must be 1/3. That means to say 1/3 is to 1/3 is to 1/3 is S1 is to S2 is to S3. That is 1 is to 1 is to 1. Option B is correct. Such a huge problem is solved in less than 10 seconds. Got it, dear students? Now let us go to next problem. Next question is, area of the square formed by mod x plus mod y is equal to 1 is. There are 4 options. We will look into the options later. Let us draw mod x plus mod y is equal to 1 first. Do you agree with me? Mod x plus mod y is equal to 1 means it is actually x plus y is equal to 1 when both x and y are positive, and x minus y is equal to 1, that is second possibility when y is negative, x is positive, and minus x plus y is equal to 1, that is third possibility, and the fourth one is minus x minus y is equal to 1. What about x plus y is equal to 1, dear students? This is x by 1 plus y by 1 is equal to 1, so the lines are like this. What about minus x minus y is equal to 1? Divide by minus sign. You will get x plus y is equal to minus 1. It is a line which is parallel to this. The third one is x minus y is equal to 1 and another one is minus x plus y is equal to 1. Without hesitation, I can join these two lines and say those are the other two. These are the other two lines. Now the question is, you are asked to find out this particular area enclosed between these 4 lines. Once again, let us not use integration here. Let us use just basic mathematics of 7th standard and find out. Do you agree with me? This is 1, 0. This is 0, 1. Right? What is this length? 1, 0 to 0, 1 is root 2. Right? 1 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square under 2. So as this is a square, area must be root 2 square. area is equal to root 2 square. Option C is correct. See how simple it is. Once again, we are not using integral calculus here. We are just using basic geometry to solve this. Got it? Now let us go to next problem. And the next question is, find area of the figure bounded by y is equal to mod of x minus 1 and y is equal to 3 minus mod x. Option A 8, option B 4, option C 2 root 2 and option D is 2. Look at this, dear students. Let me write both the graphs. Y is equal to mod of x minus 1 and 3 minus mod x. Mod of x minus 1 is very, very simple. Equate whatever is inside the mod to 0, you will get y as 0, right? If we equate whatever is inside the mod as 0, we will get x as 1. So therefore, 1 comma 0 is a vertex of y is equal to mod of x minus 1. Mod x is like v, mod of x minus 1 is also like v shape, whereas the vertex is 1 comma 0. This is 1 comma 0. Now you are asked to find out the graph of y is equal to 3 minus mod x. Equate whatever is inside the mod to 0. What you will get y? Y is 3 minus 0. So y is 3. When x is 0, y is 3. That means to say, okay, 0 comma 3 is a vertex of this. 3 minus mod x, 0 comma 3 is a vertex. 0 comma 3 means somewhere here. Do you agree with me? This is 0 comma 3. So the parabola should be like this. No, it cannot be, because we have got minus mod x, therefore it should be facing downwards. So this is 0 comma 3 is a vertex and the parabola is like this. Sorry, the modular functions are like this. So do you agree with me? This is the area this is the region whose area is to be evaluated. Is that correct? Now the question is, how to find out this? If we are able to locate either this point or this point, we can find out this length as well as this length. Is that correct? So for that, what we have to do is, we have to go back to the basics of modular function. This is y is equal to mod of x minus 1. Out of this, this is x minus 1 and this is 1 minus x. This is x minus 1. This y is equal to mod of 3 minus x. This will be y is equal to 3 minus x. And this will be x minus 3. 3 minus x, you can see negative slope. But particularly at this particular point, x minus 1 is same as 3 minus x. Very, very important, because both of them are meeting. Shift x to left hand side, y to right hand side. What you will get here? 3 minus x is equal to x minus 1. Therefore, shift x to left hand side, right hand side, 1 to left hand side. 3 plus 1, 4 is equal to 2x. Therefore, x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, what happens to y? You will get 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So now let me rewrite the same rectangle once again here. See here, dear students. I am just rewriting the same rectangle once again. This point is 1 comma 0 and this particular point is 2 comma 1 and this point is 0 comma 3, right? This is 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3, this is 2 comma 1 and this is 1 comma 0. Now you are asked to find out area. How to find out this area? What is this length? This length is given by square root of 2 minus 0 whole square, that is 2 square, plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 square. 2 square plus 2 square, that is 4 plus 4, that is root of 8. This length is root 8. This length is given by 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square. 2 minus 1 is 1 square, 1 minus 0 1 square, under root 1 square plus 1 square, that is root of 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Now, what is this particular area? What is the area of this? Square root of 2 into square root of 8. So, area A is equal to root 2 into root 8, that is Root of 16, that is equal to 4 square units. Option B is correct. See how simple the problem is. Anybody can solve this if you know the basics of geometry. Got it? Now let us go to the next problem.